how to set up credential of Telegram with n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Telegram credential in n8n the right way. Here is what we are going to do. We will guide you through the entire process from creating a Telegram bot to getting your bot token and setting up your Telegram credential inside your n8n. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is logging in n8n. If you haven't created any account till now, what you have to do, go into description and click on this link. You will get 15 days free trial. Now let's get back to our workflow. So this is my workflow. Let me remove this. I have opened this workflow. Now from the top right corner, you will see there is a plus icon. Just simply search for Telegram. Now there you will get two options like triggered and action. This is a initial triggered. Sorry, this is the initial step. So I will choose triggered. Now I have already created a setup credential. That's why it is showing like this. Now you will see you have to click on this create new credential. We need now access token. Now go to Telegram web, or if you have downloaded the Telegram app, you have to just simply, let me crop this. Okay. So now what you have to do is go to search bar and search for father bot. Search for bot father. Now open this. As you can see here, I have created earlier. Now what you have to do is start this bot. Now again, start. Click on this start. It is not showing me because I have already started this bot. So what you have to do instead of after starting this bot, just click on this new bot button. And then after that, it will ask, all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name. So I will call it the short script writer. And that enter. Good. Now let's choose your username bot. It must end with bot. So it's like scripter, script writer, and then bot. And hit enter. Sorry, this username is already taken. So I will add like cancel. I will choose it again. Hit enter. Now, as you can see, we get this token access HTTP. So I will just copy this and then get back to my workflow. Open your workflow and paste this access token over here and click on the save button. Now it will test that access token, and as you can see, the connection tested successfully. Now close this. Now over here, you have to select triggered on message. Now whenever someone message on that bot, so let me access our bot. Just click on it and click on the start. Okay, let me see. So the bot has been started right now. So whenever someone entered any message over here, it will redirect message. Oh, okay. This node will listen this bot, and whatever you message over here, it will take that as input. So let me show you. I will attach a AI agent, and then I will add a chat model. Let me create a script to demonstrate you how it works, and it will should paste that output directly into my Telegram. So I will choose send a message, chat message, send a text match. Okay, I'll choose this one. Now you have to add a chat ID over here. So there is an issue in my end when I send a message. So, but I will fix that. But as you can see, the workflow and the n8n is successfully connected over here. Let me show you again. So when I execute workflow, it will start the listening of this bot. So this bot. So I will say like write a script again, and it will start executing that prompt. So I have set up this AI agent for prompting, and then I have attached this Gemini chat model to this AI agent. So it will create a YouTube short. So as you can see here, when you see in the output, you will get the script. So I have given input of this, write a script for the your short, YouTube short. The topic is Apple. So it will give me the uh, script. Now, this is how you can set up a credential for the Telegram. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.